Hi guys, I'm Discuss. Today I'm going to show you to see my fun park. Where shall we ride first? Up Ferris wheel. There's no bookend. It's fun. Yay, I'm going up. What color would you like? Pink. Wee, I love this ride. Alright, we're gonna go in the big Ferris wheel, but we can't cross this. We can't swim. We just only have to cross the bridge so that we can get to the big Ferris wheel so that we can safely get to the end. Okay, we're almost there now. Okay, we're here. We're back. Okay, and we're gonna go climb up. How do we can climb? By jump, you have to climb up the stairs, but so that you need to ride. Okay, here. Yay! This is the best Ferris wheel forever. And a lot of big rides. Oh my gosh, I'm in the green drop tower. I'm gonna be up. Oh, we're going up. Look, I saw a big vehicle. That's not a big vehicle. It's a roller coaster. Okay. But I'm really gonna find a ride like that. Oh, I found it. We're riding. We're going up. We're going down. Alright, so that's it. Bye. Thanks for watching. Enjoy from Medi.